Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm gonna show you how to see your Gmail password. So there's two ways to it. All right. First of all, you're gonna just go to your account and manage your Gmail account. You're gonna go ahead to security, and you're gonna see right here the many options, and you're gonna see an option called your saved password. So we're gonna see your password manager. All right, and as you can see right here, this is the saved password in your Gmail account. The second way that you can do that is by just going to your settings. All right, if you are using iPhone, just proceed with me, and you're gonna go ahead to the section called password. All right, and you're gonna search for Gmail password. Okay, and you're gonna find the accounts that you have on Gmail and their password, and you're gonna see it easily from here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.